Welcome back to Carneades.org. Today we're going to be continuing with our series, Dumbfounding Definitions, Dizzying Distinctions, and Diabolical Doctrines, a series sorting through some of the jargon of philosophy. In this video we're going to be looking at what is a material cause, based on Aristotle's four causes. So let's take a look. A material cause of an object is the stuff it is made out of. It's material. This is the answer to the question, why does the cup not break when it is dropped? Because it is made of plastic. If the cup were made of glass, it might break when it was dropped. The material cause is what the change acts upon. So when something is created, the change that creates it acts upon the material. So the factory that created the cup acts upon the plastic and creates that item. Aristotle uses the creation of a bronze statue as the example. The lump of bronze, which was turned into the statue, is the material cause. Bronze is the stuff it is made of. And that bronze may become liquid and then become solid again, but it's still the same material. So the material cause of water freezing it into ice cube would be the water. The material cause of a book being written would be the paper and the ink. And the material cause of the flower is the cells that make it up, or the parts that make up that flower. So the material cause is the stuff that thing is made of. Pure and simple. But now, to get into objections, there are quite a few issues with Aristotle's natural philosophy in general. Even something as seemingly simple and intuitive as a material cause. It seems like there are things that don't have a material, like fire, for example. If someone asked, why is fire hot? Aristotle might want to give a material answer. But in fact, fire is a chemical reaction which makes fire hot, not just the component parts of it. Aristotle will answer the question, why is the statue heavy, with a material answer? Because it's made of bronze. But the same statue on the moon would not be heavy. So many of these traditional questions, which seem like they can be answered with a material answer, cannot be. It seems like often we need material as well as its relation to other things. The relation of the chemicals in the fire. We can have all the chemicals in the fire and not have a fire. The position of an object relative to a planet. We can have a statue on a very small planet and it be very lightweight, or on a very big planet and have it be very, very heavy. There are also concerns about chemical rather than physical changes, where the actual material does change. Water may still be water if it freezes, but ashes produced by burning a log seem to be a different thing than wood. To refer to them simply as a different form of wood, as Aristotle might have us do, seems problematic at best. So there are some issues with this idea of material cause. We might want to say that there are more things involved that we need to explain these why questions, or we might just say that Aristotle's idea of material is a little outdated. Or we might just need to drill down a little bit farther to protons and neutrons to get to some sense of material, but then not all of Aristotle's distinctions are really going to apply. What do you think? Do we need both a material cause and a relational cause to answer some of these questions? Or do you think that Aristotle's material cause is going to be sufficient to answer a lot of these why questions that we would ask? Watch this video and more here at Carneades.org, and stay skeptical, everybody.